Hey, this is Shelton and welcome to my video today. Welcome to today's show, today's episode. Today we're going to talk about the 5 things I wish I knew before doing a Facebook Live. I really wish I knew this, and I want to share the value to you because I was just thinking about you, and I know you've done a Facebook Live, or maybe you've done a couple of lives before, and I want to go ahead and give you some things that I wish I knew. So if this is your first time here at this channel, hit that red subscribe button, and also hit that bell notification when I do videos just like this. I do videos every single day, and I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is. It's that time. It's time to talk about the content for today's program. 5 things I wish I knew before doing a Facebook Live. Now, when I first did a Facebook Live, oh my goodness, I was incredibly nervous. I was nervous about doing it because I just didn't know what I was doing. And I'm going to give you 5 things that I wish I knew before doing them because my Facebook Live was terrible. It was terrible. I was nervous. I didn't know what to say. Stuff was in the background, was moving, and I think I had like a yellow shirt on, and it didn't go what was going on. It was just terrible. It was terrible. So the first thing I wish I knew about Facebook Live is that I needed to practice. I needed to practice on really when I'm gonna go live, I need to practice on going live before you go live. I wish I knew about that more. So just don't turn, sometimes if it's your first time, practice. Practice what you're gonna say, practice what you're gonna wear, practice what you're gonna have in the background. Just kind of practice. It doesn't have to be perfect. Not perfect, but to the point where you can actually deliver your information. Just practice it before you turn record on. Just come on here and say, hello, my name is Shelton, and welcome to today's video today. Today's video, just like that, kind of have what you're gonna say, kind of a script that you're gonna say in your mind, and you don't wanna be reading everywhere. It's okay to have notes to look around it or look off of it, but you don't wanna be sitting here reading ABC, document 2, create. You don't wanna be all like that. You don't wanna do that. You pretty much wanna know what you're gonna say. That's good. Kind of good what you're going to say, but you want to be yourself and be real. And the first thing I didn't know is that I wish I knew is that go ahead and practice before you go live. I just didn't do it, and I want you to do it, especially if your first time on your Facebook Live. You want to go ahead and start doing practice on Facebook Lives. The second thing about Facebook Live and that I wish I knew more of is that when you go on live, they give you that 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Is that you need to start talking. You need to start talking. And I know that's interesting. What I'm saying is that because when I did the live, I paused for like 10 minutes. I didn't even say anything. So the second thing is that when they do that countdown, 3, 2, 1, you're on. I wish I would have known more about that before my first one. Now after my second and third one, yes, I knew that. But before my first one, I sat there and froze. I was like, it said 3, 2, 1. I was like, I just stood there for like 10 minutes, and then someone came on and said hello. Somebody came on my Facebook Live and said hello, so I had said hello back, and then that's how we started talking. I waited for somebody to come and join me. I think that's what it was. I remember that now. Someone came and joined me, and that's why I said hello. I didn't understand that I needed to go on when they did 3, 2, 1. So yes, the first one is that you want to practice before you come on live, especially your first time. And the second one is that when they do 3, 2, 1 on that countdown, start talking. Cause don't do what I did and just pause there, just froze there for a minute. So definitely don't want to do that. But third thing, when you do Facebook Lives, is that when you do Facebook Lives, it's not like right now. Right now, we're one-on-one. YouTube is all about one-on-one conversation. Facebook is more about a group. It's like a group of people. So, when you're delivering your information, it's not like I'm talking to one person. You're actually talking to several people. So when you're doing a Facebook Live, it's more of a group. When you're doing more YouTube, it's more one-on-one. I didn't know the difference between that. YouTube is more of a one-on-one. Right now, we're one-on-one. Right now, I'm right there. I'm here for you. I'm here to give you value every single day. I love doing videos, and I want to see you succeed in life, business, and in your personal life as well, because that's important too. But anyway, going back to what I was saying is that Facebook is more of a community. So people will come on here, being about 4, 5, 6, 8, 7 people. So then now you're talking to so many different people, where YouTube is more one-on-one. So I didn't understand the difference between that. It's awesome because I love Facebook and I love YouTube. Thank you, YouTube. You've done a lot good for me. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for giving me value, and thank you so much for you for joining me right now. So the third thing is the difference between Facebook Live and doing a YouTube video. So that's the difference. The fourth thing about doing Facebook Live is that when you're doing the Facebook Live, this is something I wish I would have known, is that you really can share it. You can share it. You actually can share your Facebook Lives. And another thing I wish I knew is that there's other actually platforms out there where this StreamYard, for instance, is that I can go on StreamYard and go live on Facebook, but also go live through a Facebook group, and also go live through my Facebook business page. So I didn't know that you can actually share your Facebook Live from so many different platforms on Facebook. I didn't know that. So if I did a Facebook Live right now, I can actually have it where I can go live through my personal page, and I also can go live through my business page, and I also can go live through a Facebook group. So I can do all three all at the same time. I wish I knew that before. I wish I knew that before, because then I would have been like, oh, wow, I can go live here, and go live here, and go live here. And now I think StreamYard has it a way now where you can go Facebook Live and YouTube Live at the same time. So now you can go YouTube and Facebook. StreamYard is just another platform how you can basically broadcast your videos live. It's another platform. StreamYard is really, really good. I'll have that information below this video about how you can sign up for StreamYard. StreamYard is unbelievable. But anyway, what I'm saying is that I didn't know there's so many areas where you can share your video when you do live. I did not know that. I wish I'd known that before, but I'm giving you the goods right now, because that's what I do. And the fifth thing about Facebook Live, well, I'll just laugh on this fifth one. The fifth thing about Facebook Live is that I did not know when you go on live is that people will be talking. People actually be commenting you and things like that. I ain't know that, cause like when you go on Facebook Live, when you go live, people will come on, but then you have all these comments and people liking and things like that. I didn't know that, so you have to stay engaged. So basically, one, I didn't really understand how to work the whole when people come on. I didn't understand it, didn't know. I didn't know that. And number two is that you want to stay engaged with the people that's coming on. So if you have, so many people coming online, you want to stay engaged with those people. So you kind of want to be talking with them as well. I did not know that. And so that's the fifth. You have to stay engaged with so many different people. Hold on. Go ahead and get this. So I did not know you have to stay engaged with so many different people. So I did not know that at all. So basically, when you go on Facebook Live, you're gonna have so many different people that comes up. And you want to stay engaged, and you want to say, hey Larry, hey John, hey Euphemia. You definitely want to stay engaged with them all at the same time. And when you're first doing it, it could be a challenge because you ain't used to it. I mean, you're already doing videos, so you may be a little nervous. Then you have people come on there and asking you questions and saying all this. So you're trying to control all this at once. It's okay. It's okay. Just do the best you can. Say hello. If you have to, just tell them in the comments, hey, how's it going? I see you coming online. Hey, how's it going? I'll get back to you what you're saying later. You can actually talk through it. So that's one thing you can, instead of just trying to type everything at the same time. Or if you may have somebody helping you, they can go ahead and respond back to the message as well when you go do your Facebook Live. So those are my 5 things I wish I knew about doing Facebook Live. Go out there and do a Facebook Live. It's fun, right? It's a great way of giving your message out there, and it's real time. It's real live. People's probably looking for what you have to say right now. Think about it. They're probably sitting there like, I'm looking for this, but somebody need to go out there and do it, and that's you. So that's all I got for you today. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Do your first Facebook Live. And don't forget, my #1 recommendation for starting an online business is right below this video. We're growing things like unimaginable pace. We're growing things. We're building people by doing videos just like this. We're teaching people how to do email marketing. We're teaching people how to brand themselves. We're teaching them how to really just market, not just marketing, but being themselves and finding what's so special about them. And it's not just about a business, it's about your mindset, your health, your wealth, and building your wealth up, but it's building your mind and your wealth up and doing videos like this to go ahead and share the message. So click on that link below. We'll go ahead and get started. And my 5 things I wish I knew will continue. And I'll see you on the next video. Have a good time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.